Boom! Welcome back to the channel, man, where we talk about real estate, fitness, and getting to the bag. So you already know, grab your notebooks, grab your pens, and listen, because you might learn something. Let's go!
Stay loyal, hustle hard, build success, loyal grind.
So today's topic is about cutting off distraction to become a winner. In the world that we live in right now, everything is driven by social media. Everybody flaunting their highlights of life. Nobody flaunts basically their failures and their losses. So it's so easy to get manipulated by everything that's, thrown in front of you and distracted and deviated from what the goal is, right? So one thing you have to focus is if you want to build a strong body, you want to build a strong mind, you want to have everything lined up. You want to cut off habits, drinking, the partying, and everything that basically holds you back from becoming the better you. For myself speaking, I had to cut off a lot of different things in my life in order for me to transition and become the person that I am today. A lot of has to do with basically with the people I surrounded myself. So I had to cut off a lot of different friendship that wasn't good for me. A lot of just things that was manipulated by, the devil. You get what I'm trying to say? So, God blessed me with a lot of different things. I've been through a lot of trials and tribulations. Got myself out of there. I met a wonderful woman that basically introduced me to God. I knew God, but I wasn't so grasped onto him. You get what I'm trying to say? So when you cut off distraction, you just don't remove it. You got to replace it with something. You got to engage the mind with something that's productive. You get what I'm trying to say? You got to keep the mind busy, because us humans, just think about it. The mind is like the engine. You feel me? Your heart is like the transmission, to say for example. You feel me? So it's like everything is interconnected. You get what I'm trying to say? The mind, matter of fact, I'm gonna put it this way. The mind is like the computer of a car. The heart is like the engine. You get what I'm trying to say? So if the mind is controls everything else that's going on in the body. You feel me? So if your mind state is not right, everything else is just gonna deteriorate little by little. So you gotta focus on the mind. You gotta get motivated when you're feeling lazy. You gotta get up when you feel like staying down. You feel me? Everything starts in the mind. So you gotta just distract your mind by doing something productive. You know what I'm saying? Reading a book, meditating, working out, going for a run, networking, surrounding yourself with good people, and man, that's just winners, bro. That's just the winning angle. You feel me? So you gotta always just replace it, not just stop it, because then you're gonna be bored as hell. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna be reminiscing. You're gonna be wanting to do that. It's gonna be cravings. But if you take that energy and deviate it to something that is productive and something that's going to be adding to you instead of subtracting to you, that's where the benefit comes in. Real shit. That's where the benefit come in. You feel me? You have to distract it into the right things. You feel me? Avoid distraction. Create a distraction that is productive, not unproductive. So you just gotta keep on going. Stay blessed up by God. You know what I'm saying? Like me, what I'm trying to do now is picking up the Bible more. I felt like, I've been slacking on that. You know what I'm saying? Like I've been just slacking, going through life, going through the ups and downs of life. You feel me? And I've been just slacking, not picking up the Bible more. So I'm trying to just develop that relationship. Like, my faith with God is what works first. You know what I'm saying? And then everything else falls into place. Like, that's determination that I got. That's gonna be my distraction from now on. Picking up the Bible more. Picking up the word of God. You feel me? Like, that's what I want to focus on. So that's gonna be my distraction. You feel me? God, my family, working on myself, building myself. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want to be able to be financially free. Feel me? Have my family financially free. My main goal in life is to retire my parents. My wife don't have to work. I don't have to work. You feel me? Like, that's my main goal in life. So I'm trying to just be real as possible on this platform. You feel me? No fluff, no bullshit. Just put it out there, because I feel like a lot of things in especially like YouTube and all that, like a lot of people just, you know what I'm saying, want to just act this. Nah, it's no. I'm gonna just keep it relevant, keep it real and raw. You feel me? Nobody in this earth is perfect. Nobody in this earth is perfect. I'm not perfect. I'm still under construction. I'm still trying to build myself. I'm still trying to fight my demons. I'm still trying to let go things of the past, trauma, childhood traumas. You know what I'm saying? I'm still trying to work on that. You know, so I'm not here to judge nobody. I just want to build a community that everybody's trying to empower everybody and uplift them. You know what I'm trying to say? Like, that's my thing. You feel me? And stay tuned real soon, man. I'm going to drop a course. Stay tuned real soon. Godspeed. I'm going to drop a course on financing, on fitness, because you got to build on fitness to be able to propel in business, in life, and just, you know, empowerment, man. Empowerment to my community, power to my people, bro. You feel me? I want to be able to be that voice, you know? Talk about life and talk about everything. So I'm going to drop a course on that. You know what I'm trying to say? So still tuned, man. We're going to be building up. You already know. You know the motto. Listen, you might learn something. Deuces.